What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix an error occurred while authenticating with Rockstar Games Services. So the first method is using a VPN. Install a reliable VPN and open it, connect, and then launch the Rockstar Games launcher and try logging in again. The second method is using a mobile hotspot. Enable mobile data on your phone and then turn on mobile hotspot. Disconnect your PC from Wi-Fi and connect your PC to the hotspot. Open the Rockstar Game Launcher and log in, and once logged in successfully, switch back to your regular Wi-Fi. Also, resetting your password creates a fresh authentication session, which helps if your account was temporarily restricted due to failed logins or suspicious activity. So go ahead and change it. And finally, reinstalling removes corrupted files of the Rockstar Games launcher, cache data, and outdated configurations that may block authentication. So go ahead and reinstall the Rockstar Games launcher. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.